Hi, this is Lorena again, and today I'm gonna give you a very detailed description on the requires grading section that is part of the grading tool. First of all, we're gonna look at different ways to grade different types of activities. We'll also learn how to clear our requires grading list, and we'll also learn how to find our students' assignment there. All right, in order to start, if you are using an LMS such as Google Classroom, Schoology, Teams, or Canvas, you have to make sure you have the LMS linked in green next to your name on the top left corner. And if you do so, that's awesome. If not, make sure you log off and log back on and that you use your credentials to do it. And then we go to the teachers panel right here. We see that we have 3 pending assignments that are requiring for us to grade them. So we're going to go to this box, and under the requires grading section, you will see all the activities that are normally requiring teacher feedback. It refers to activities such as speaking, writing. In order to see our assignments, we have different parameters here as to how we want it to be organized. So if we wanted to organize it by student, we will click here, and then we will proceed to find the activities that we need to grade. So in my case, I have 3 activities on group 2. So I would click on the group right here, and I'll see the activities and the students who submitted it. The first type of activity is that we're going to see here is a point value activity. And in this case, the student submitting a written answer. So we can see that number of minutes or the time that the student spent right here. And then whatever we want to score this, we can check it. We can add any point values or change it right here. And then we can adjust those points, and then we can give any feedback if we need to, or we can also record it if we want to give a general feedback to this activity. So this is one activity that we have. Then when we are happy with this, we can scroll down and we can see the activity on the page as it is presented there. And then we can also click on reset if we would like for the student to reset the activity because we didn't give a student a high score, or maybe we would like for the student to try the activity again and apply the feedback that we have provided. After everything is good and we are ready to grade this activity, we click on save. You will see that I no longer see this activity here because this activity moved from requires grading to activity results. Another type of activity that you will see is the rubric type of activity, where you will see your students reply in this case of a written activity. You will see the different rubrics description with the different point value right. So what you would do is you would choose the appropriate point that matches the description of what the student was able to do. Just simply click on each of those parameters. And then the system will automatically add it up and you will see the score. If you would like to give additional points, or if you check that the student spent longer or shorter time there, you can adjust those points in this section. Like I said before, you can always give them feedback right here, and you can also record feedback. Same as before, you can click on the page right here. You can reset the activity if you want like for your students to try the activity again. That'll clear the previous activity and they have to resubmit it. Once you're happy with this activity, you would click on save. And again, it would move this activity to the activity results section. Another important aspect to remember is that, for example, right here, you have the list of these activities. And if for whatever reason you ask a student to complete an activity and you just want to give them credit for doing or for completing the activity versus the responses. Maybe a can-do pre-assessment, that can be a one activity. You just click on the select the type of activity. For example, in my case, this one. And what it'll do, it'll just mark everything as correct. And you would be able to move this activity to the activity results. So you won't have any activities to grade right here. So if you have any questions, make sure that you can send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com, or you can also go to the help button and find more options to contact us there. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.